I'm sitting in an onsen with snow monkeys. And yes, I'll show you exactly how this is possible. Just to be clear, you're never allowed to bat inside the snow monkey park. That onsen is only for monkeys. But in this area, there are onsen where wild monkeys sometimes come close. And that's exactly what you're seeing here. This isn't guaranteed. These are wild animals. Right now, we're on the Shinkansen, heading north. We'll change to a bus along the way and continue towards Shiga Kogen ski area, where my fiance's sister is already waiting for us at the hotel called Swiss Inn. This weekend, we start with skiing in Shiga Kogen, and then the day after, we're heading to the Snow Monkey Park. It's so cold that my fiance is wearing panda socks over her stockings. So finally in the bus, and soon we are in the hotel. It's already snowing outside. We arrived and we have to walk to the hotel in the dark, in the snow, because they don't have a shuttle from 6 o'clock, and that's the last bus. Finally arrived. My hands are frozen. Minus 11 degrees. It's fucking cold outside. The Swiss Inn has floors named after places in Switzerland. We got the classical Japanese tatami room. This hotel is very old. Probably the oldest hotel I ever was. So we just take a bath now, and tomorrow we go skiing. It's the first time this year. Also here in this hotel there is a sign: we should not let the window open, otherwise the monkey come inside and they will destroy everything, and yeah. My fiance already tried skiing last year, and this year she decided to take a coach again. In Switzerland, skiing is almost something you're expected to learn. Next stop is food. Shiga Kogen actually has very good pizza, which I didn't expect because pizza in Japan is usually not that great. By the afternoon, my fiance was already skiing better. The view wasn't great today, but the snow conditions were excellent. The next day, after returning our ski rentals, the hotel drove us to the bus stop. Without that, we would have to walk all the way up here, which wouldn't be very comfortable with kids. From the bus stop, it's about 23 minutes bus ride to the Snow Monkey Park. Now we've arrived at the Snow Monkey Park and stored our luggage in the coin lockers at the bus station. That's why you need 500 yen coins. We need 2 lockers for 5 bags. When you get closer to the Snow Monkey Onsen, there's a small shop selling yakiimo. You can also buy these slip-on grips to put under your shoes so you don't slip on the ice. Just like 2 years ago, we went back to the Enza Cafe for lunch. We had wraps, fish and chips and ramen. Now it finally starts with the Snow Monkey Park. First, you have to walk about 1.6 kilometers uphill through the forest. It's not that difficult, so you can easily do it with children, but it will take more than 25 minutes. And now I show you how to get to the onsen where you can bath with snow monkeys. After about 20 minutes of walking, you arrive near the river. This is usually where you see the first snow monkeys. They're not really shy. They keep a distance of about 2 meters and just go on, enjoying their life. From here, you follow the river for about 3 minutes, until it leads directly up to the Snow Monkey Park. Along the way, you should be able to see a small glacier. Now, go towards the glacier and walk onto the bridge. From there, you can see the special onsen, shared by monkeys and humans. Here you can see a view from above, so you can better see exactly where it's located. So, we paid the entrance fee, 2 times 1,500 yen and 2 times 400 yen for the towels.
We really take a hot swim with the monkey.
It's important to understand this correctly. This is a human onsen, where you're bathing here and the monkeys are tolerated if they come close. The monkeys aren't bathing with us, they're just sharing the space.
It's just great here. More coming. It's funny, huh? Oh. We share here the hot spring with the monkey. It's only
They are still wild monkeys. You should keep about 2 meters distance, avoid direct eye contact, and be aware that they can pee or poo in the onsen area. After washing ourselves, we went up to the top, where the real Snow Monkey Onsen is located. This onsen exists because of the natural hot springs in this valley. The snow monkeys discovered the warm water decades ago while searching for heat during winter, when temperatures here can drop far below zero. Over time, they start using the area regularly, especially during the cold months. The monkeys you see here live in structural social groups. Females stay in the same group their entire lives, while males usually leave once they grow older. Mothers bath with their children and younger monkeys often stay very close to them, especially in winter. Bathing here is not about relaxation for the monkeys, like it is for us humans. It helps them to conserve energy, stay warm, and maintain social bonds. You often see dominant females occupying the best spots, while younger or lower ranking monkeys stay near the edges. Humans are visitors in this environment. The park exists to protect the monkeys and allow people to observe their natural behavior without interfering. That's why rules about distance and behavior are taken very serious here. Now we are on our way back and hope we can catch the last bus. We arrived back in Nagano and had about 1 hour before the Shinkansen. So we went to eat omurice. If you liked the video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.